Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the monthly, I do think this is likely the end of a wave 3. If that's the case, then we are likely now in a wave 4. Wave 4s are most of the time very overlapping corrective patterns, which I think will likely bring us down to about the 150 area before we can make another attempt on the uptrend to make that wave 5. Now, keep in mind this is the monthly, and this possibly could take 8 months, a year, or even more to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, like I've been saying for a while, we possibly could already be in a wave B. They could already be going up for the wave B. This is the wave A, and then later on down for a wave C like this, and this would all be the wave 4 on the monthly time frame. But I still think there's a chance that it is still a wave A, that it's actually still going to try to make another attempt on this downtrend. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, most of the yen pairs do look like they made 1, 2, 3 waves up with a lower high, which is why I do think there is a pretty good likelihood this will just keep on going down. But while it's going down, I'm watching these Fibonacci levels very closely, because if it makes 1, 2, 3 waves down to a fib level with a big engulfing move to the upside, I'll definitely stop looking for shorts. I'll get out of my shorts and potentially go long for the continuation of this move up. Like I said, it is definitely possible that it's already in that wave B. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for shorts. I mean, if it goes up and breaks this high right here, then I will start looking for longs again. But even if it is a correction to this move up, even if it is an ABC correction, I would still expect it to go down to one of these lower fib levels before it actually goes up. And while we're looking for shorts, if it just keeps on going down and it never breaks structure at a fib level, then that's great news for us because it's like a bonus trade. Because if we expect this to be an ABC crutch and bounce from a fib level and go up, and we just keep on looking for shorts and it just keeps on going down, really, we could be wrong about our analysis and actually make more money in the markets. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally am definitely still looking for shorts. If this does go up and break this structure, then I would throw my Fibonacci retracement out here. Then I would look for 3 waves up, and then I would look for a Fibonacci bounce to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Now keep in mind that this only is really applies if it breaks structure to the upside. It doesn't have to break structure. I mean, it could just keep on trending down, making lower lows, lower highs, especially if this really is the continuation of that big downtrend on the higher time frames, like still a wave A. So I would definitely personally be looking for shorts on these shorter time frames. If it breaks to the upside, then maybe as a short time frame trader, you could try looking for longs. But yeah, looking for shorts in a downtrend is definitely, I think, going to be the better, more profitable, safer route for the continuation of this wave A. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.